Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how to hide files on Mac. Today I will show you different ways to hide files and folders on Mac without installing any third-party apps. These methods are simple, safe and work almost every modern version of macOS. So let's get started. Method number 1 is hide file using a hidden folder. The easiest way to hide files on Mac is by creating a hidden folder. First open Finder. Now let's come to documents. Let's suppose here documents. Okay. Now press Command Shift plus N. As you can see, it's create new folder. We may rename the folder. Now here is the important step. Rename the folder by adding a dot before the name, like this dot, then hidden. Let's suppose we will name this folder hidden. Before hidden, it's here dot. So please mention here dot before writing the name of the folder. Okay. Now drag this image to the folder. Now what you have to do, just select the folder and press Command plus Shift plus dot. As you can see, the folder is gone. It is now hidden. To see hidden folder again press Command plus Shift plus dot. As you can see, that keyboard shortcut shows all hidden files on your Mac. You can press the same shortcut again to hide them back. As you can see, just click on the folder and press Command Shift and dot. As you can see, it is hidden again. This is the fastest and easiest method for beginners. Now let's come to step number 2. Step number 2 is hide files using terminal. First open Spotlight search and search for terminal. Now you can see here my terminal is open now. Now here you have to give some commands to hide files. Type on the terminal this chflags hidden. Now the next step is, let's suppose I want to hide this image file. Now just drag this image to the terminal and leave it. As you can see, this directory and file package is mentioned here. Now press enter. Now the file will be hidden from your Finder here. Okay. Now if you want to unhide this again, now simply write here chflags nohidden. Now again give a space and then drag this file again on this terminal, then press enter. Now it will unhide again. This method is very useful because it works on almost any folder or any file. So, and the last step is hidden files inside notes or disk utility. If you want access privacy, you can also lock files using built-in Mac apps. One option is storing sensitive information inside the Notes app and locking the note with a password. Another powerful method is creating an encrypted folder using disk utility. Okay, open disk utility first. Then press enter. Now click on files. Here you can see on the top menu bar, click on file. You can see a new image. Keep your cursor on new image, then image from folder. Now choose the folder you want to hide. Let's suppose I want to hide this thumbnail folder. Then click on choose. Now choose your folder name. Okay, here you can see encryption none. Just give it an encryption that nobody can open without the password. Okay, then give it a password here, then verify the password, then click on choose. This creates a secure encrypted file that nobody can open without the password. This method is perfect for private documents, photos or work files. Then click on save. Now nobody can open it without the password. Keep in mind that hidden files are not completely secure. Anyone who knows the keyboard shortcut or terminal commands can still access them. So if your files are extremely important, use password protection or encryption instead of only hiding them. Also avoid deleting system hidden files because that can affect macOS performance. So that's how you can hide files and folders on Mac easily. Okay, in this video we have covered hidden folders, terminal commands, encrypted storage options. Okay, so if this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more MacBook tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.